Incremental greetings. Yep, that's the start of the playlist. Well, you may heard of Supermemo for Windows, by the way, not the language thing. What is this arcane, obscure software, ugly looking software? Well, you're in the right place. Here is a full-fledged course, absolutely for free, here on YouTube. More than 150 videos. Oh my god. Strictly speaking, is a reaction of a already existing course it's called Fowl Guide to Supermemo, and I just do a massive expansion on that. Why? You will see how. But let me start with the why. See, it's because I'm actually motivated to begin with. I mean, look at my channel already. 500 videos about Supermemo, where most of my videos just get a few tens of views and that's it. It's because I'm extremely passionate with this. And don't take my words for it. Take my actions with this. Then, long story short, I watched the course. It's about 4 years old. And I watched it already 2 times, just this month. And I realized, it's not enough. It's not good enough. There are so many weaknesses in this course. That's why I want to put my 2 cents here, so I can rest in peace. Let's say that there's evergreen content in YouTube available for free. That it's good enough. Anyone can learn how to use Supermemo absolutely for free. So the course, I rate this course as 2 out of 5. And my goal is to have 3 out of 5. So it's enough. And I will do my own course from the beginning, from the scratch, not just videos, not limited to videos, with storytelling and use cases, genuine use cases, rather than, hey, you have this feature here. That's how it can be used. Yeah, but in one context, when is this useful? And all of that. Like, for instance, a recipe. One analogy with recipes. Yes, imagine you check online, YouTube video, how to do mac and cheese, whatever. Then, you have to use the oven and this other thing, this tool. I don't need to know all of the use cases of that tool now. I only want what I'm required for that recipe. Then, the course format will have many recipes in a specific order that they introduce little by little, incrementally, some features that, that's how it can be used. Instead of, hey, that's a feature, and for half an hour, bam, you can do this, you can do that, bam, out of context. Another analogy would be learning words in vocabulary. Yeah, you have perspicacious, and this is how it's the meaning. Yeah, but if I haven't seen this in a sentence, or I have no need to use it now in a sentence, okay, good to know that word, but it's not the same thing. I hope I made my point came across. Then, it's really available. And I want to do a paid course. Why I do this? Later on you will see why. But it's because I want to have everything available for free. So the paid version is just personal preference, it's just convenience. And yeah, it looks better, there's more attention to detail, the storytelling and so on. You don't have to watch 72 hours of footage, you get more to the point and so on. But if you're in a position that you just watch those videos, I will appreciate if you can donate. Or perhaps not this video in particular, or this course that I'm doing, but my channel in general. The 500 videos I have already done about Supermemo, because I cannot monetize my channel. I don't get the minimums. And even if I did, what I will get are about 80 cents a month. So, not even coffee money. Then, let me share with you why I decided this. By the way, I'm shooting this video again. I did last week. And it's because I repurposed this reaction. Yes, it's a reaction to the course, but thinking as a full-fledged course. So I will be adding more than 40 videos that are not covered in his videos. And overall, what I plan to do is more than 160 videos. It's massive, absolutely massive. That means how much I have to be motivated to do all of that when I know that it's actually an issue. That why putting so much effort? Not only that, is that wait, this is just for this reaction. So what I will get is feedback, but not feedback for my video. I already experienced that with the hundreds of videos I already done. Is to have feedback of the entirety of the course. How is this distributed? How it's the progress and all of those decisions. That is not just one single video on YouTube and isolated, and that's it. Then there will be Q&A in the comments, and I will commit that forever I will answer every single comment, every single question. And since the videos are very targeted, very atomic, the questions will be related to that. Not like I have a few hour long video and the question could be almost anything about Supermemo. And I will build more experience and practice before I do my real course. But even before I do this, I will have a hybrid solution because I want to have a course on Spanish as well. My original idea was to release in one single video. I think that won't be possible because it will be too long for YouTube. There's a limit of 12 hours, and I'm pretty sure it will be beyond that. Yeah, more than 12 hours. The difference is that I will do it from scratch instead of just dubbing myself on the original videos. Because I also want all of the examples to be in Spanish, the reading material in Spanish, and so on. So I will still have more experience, building up the experience, because in this case, I will have control over the contents. I won't do the Spanish version of the Fowl course. It will be already my course. So instead of a course for Supermemo, it will be a course for incremental reading method using Supermemo as a tool, which is not the same thing. And finally, the full-fledged course with storytelling, with files you can import, text version, not just video format, and many more. So there's a continuation. Everything is based by project or use cases rather than by feature, and this needs a lot of time and love with this. Then, the Fowl guide to Supermemo includes 16 videos, but I already reacted to 3 of them. Why? I did this on purpose, by the way, because those 3 videos, Enjoying Learning, Free Learning versus Cramming, Data Collection, and Incremental Reading Analogy with Dating, they are about the philosophy behind Supermemo. That doesn't mean the course doesn't have that. There is a section for the philosophy, but no, not on those 3 videos. The original, those 3 are about 1 hour, and my reaction is about 3 hours long. Oh my god. So feel free to watch those videos anytime. Then what is included is all of the other videos, the 13 videos, which are just 4 minutes shy of 5 hours. You can see here in the chart, the blue is what I already did, and the orange is what is covered in this course. Not only that, I will be adding tons of content to amend the weak points of the course. That, hey, this is important, it's not covered, or it was just mentioned, let me explain it, because he only spent 10 seconds and I think it's more important. And what I think it's not that relevant that in my course won't be there, I will still include it because I want the reaction to be complete. So even I think there is like 40 videos like that I include them for completion. Most of the time is advanced templates, formulation, and space repetition, because it's not that unique to Supermemo, so that could be taken off. Then one last thing is that this project is massive. I started in June. Today, it's at the time of the recording, it's August 31st. Tomorrow, it's already September. I have spent more than 50 hours, even before recording. Usually what happens when I started YouTube is when I realized, wait a second, doing those videos take a lot more time, especially when I started editing the videos. Even if it's a light editing, it takes a while. You have to go through all of the footage, every time review. So the minimum time I spend will be twice the duration of the video, plus all of the clicks you need to do. So long story short, if I use a heuristic of my minimum hourly rate for tutoring, the course will be 4,300 minimum. So recording and minimum editing. No censoring, no zooming in, zooming out, so the bare minimum. But if I want to do captions, it will be close to 10,000, 10 grand. Because amending the captions takes a while. By the way, this will be covered in future upcoming videos, but I will still do it, but incrementally. So I will release the videos, and I will only do captions from the ones I think are important, and the other ones I will wait. If I see that they are getting views and so on, okay, let me do the captions. Because I want first to release the videos, because it's a massive amount of work, and then anytime I will do the captions, like when it's already released. So the little message that I want to convey here is that this is a big deal. I make a lot of effort. All of this time is time that I cannot do tutoring sessions, for instance. On top of that, this course will, let's put it on those words, go against my own business at some degree, because people will just watch the videos instead of hiring me for tutoring sessions. So it will, simply speaking, it's not the best choice if I want business, right? If I want to earn money. But I follow my principles. That's why instead I will suggest to donate. I know, based on the numbers from Fowl's videos, that he has a few thousand, then 800 views. So a course that is available online only has those views, and one small percentage will donate. There's no way I could get these on donations, even if I have a vision of the next decade. I won't get that. But if you are in a position you can donate, perhaps not for this course, but the entire effort, please feel free to donate. If you cannot, because of your economic position, you could help me by sharing these videos, or watching the videos over and over to increase my watch time, or something that will help the algorithm at some point, or by providing feedback in any video. So that's one of the longest videos, by the way, that I will do later on. When starting Supermemo, it will be more to the point, like 3 minute, 4-minute video, and so on. I'm William Palau, William in English. I'm hooked with Supermemo and incremental reading, and I want this to be evergreen. So even if I die, there's the minimum out there that will transcend my lifetime. In a positive light. I don't want to sound negative. I mean that for me this will be an achievement. This is very personal. That's why with this course I'm actually neglecting my Supermemo usage. It's been weeks that I only spend like 10 minutes, half an hour per week, not per day, because I had to cut the time of my own learning, because I still work for full time. So if you can support me, that will be much appreciated. So have fun with this course, the reaction of that course, the Fowl's Guide to Supermemo, the Pleasurable expansion. That's all for now. See you in the next video.